Namaste everyone. In this video, we will learn the meaning and concept of demand function. So, function simply show the relationship between two or more than two variables, and these variables are called dependent variable and independent variable. Okay, so when there are at least two variables as dependent and independent variable, and always dependent variable is based on different independent variable. So at least two variable having such type of relation is known as function. And as we all know, demand of any commodity is affected by so many different factors, and these factors are called determinants of demand. So demand for any commodity at a given point of time is affected by basically price of the commodity, income of the consumer, price of the related goods, taste and preference of the consumers, tax and subsidies of the government, taxation policies, subsidy policies by the government, advertisement expenditure, future expected price, and so on. So these are called determinants of demand. Okay, determinants of demand are those factors which directly affect quantity demand of the commodity. So quantity demand of commodity is affected by these different factors, and these factors are considered as independent variables since demand of the commodity is directly based on values of these different factors. So if we show such relationship between demand and all the determinants of demand in a functional form, then it is called a demand function. Therefore, demand function can be defined as functional relationship between demand of a commodity and its all the determinants of demand. And in the mathematical form or functional form, it can be expressed as Qx equal to function of Px, Py, Y, T, E, and so on. So these are the short form of determinants of demand. Okay, in equation 1, Qx stands for demand of a commodity X, F is functional relationship, Px is price of the commodity X, Py is price of related goods, Y is income of the consumers, T is taste and preference, E is expected future price, A is advertisement, PO means size and composition of the population, and G means government policies like taxation and subsidies. So if we show all the determinants of demand in a function, then it will show us demand function. Demand function therefore means a functional relationship between demand of the commodity and all the determinants of demand. Okay, in the equation 1, we can see that demand for commodity is affected by so many factors that we already discussed. And among these different factors affecting demand or among these different determinants of demand, price of the commodity is considered as the major determining factor. So it is considered as the most significant factors affecting demand, and demand function is also based on law of demand. Therefore, in the simple sense, we can express the given demand function as a function of Px. So here equation number 2 shows demand function or quantity demand as a function of price. Hence, equation 2 is known as single variable demand function, and equation 1 is also known as multivariable demand function.